What's up guys, it's your girl Theresa here. I'm also known as leseynt, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can post multiple photos on your Instagram story, so stay tuned. Here on this channel, I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram, and if you like these types of content, make sure you follow me and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's jump straight to the video. First and foremost, don't forget to update your Instagram account if you haven't yet already. And if you have, jump straight into it. And what you need to do is go on your top right-hand corner where the camera button is, hit onto that. At the bottom where you see normal, boomerang, create, swipe over to layout. And as you can see here, there's like different layouts. You've got 4, you've got 2, 3. So if, say for example, you want to take 3 different types of photos, you can go ahead and do that. And you'll jump to the second row. Sorry, my room is a little bit messy. And then the third photo. And if you're happy with that, then hit on the tick button and add your favorite filter, and then hit on your story and it's ready to post. It's as simple as that. Let me know what you think of this function. And if you have any questions for me, make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on the next one.